Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Doc. Welcome to my class. Now, what I have here is the hands on math mastery strategy. It emphasizes experiential, tactile, and visual learning approaches to help students grasp mathematical concepts in a meaningful and practical way. This strategy can be particularly effective in diverse learning environments, including special education settings. The said strategy was based from the constructivist model. Now, the target group of this strategy are the primary learners, especially my pull-out pupils. The unique characteristics of the said strategy, what we have here, number one, is the active engagement through manipulatives. So it utilizes objects like blocks, counters, fraction circles, and even geometric shapes to make abstract mathematical concepts concrete. It also encourages students or pupils to explore and experiment. Another one is the multi-sensory approach. It combines tactile, visual, and sometimes auditory experiences to appeal to diverse learning styles. And then lastly, what I like about this strategy is it has the individualized learning pace. Since that I am also doing the pull-out system of my students who are now in the regular classroom, those who are at risk to have learning disability. So I often pull out them, check on them, and have lessons, especially these lessons, the multisensory approaches lessons. So I this strategy is really helpful because it has individualized learning pace, which is also applicable to students with learning disabilities with special needs, since it allows students to work at their own pace, and me as a teacher can easily scaffold or adapt activities for different learners. So now let's proceed to the strengths of the set strategy since we are done with the target group and the unique characteristics. Number one, it improves conceptual understanding. Now, it will improve really the conceptual understanding of the pupil since that it allows them to visualize, especially because we are using tangible objects. Now, it is making the abstract concepts more tangible, and therefore, students or pupils can gain stronger and more intuitive grasp of the concept or the material. Now, second is encourages active learning. So me, my pupil and I are active or are doing the said learning. So therefore that students or my pupil become participants in their learning rather than passive listeners because they are the one doing their own learning. They're the one maneuvering the manipulatives. They're the one also building or bridging the gap of the theories and math into a real world application. Now, third is it reduces math anxiety. So, we all know that not all people like mathematics, especially if pupils are not they are not having fun with it. So therefore, it will increase their math anxiety. Now, with this strategy, because they are doing their own learning, they can manipulate objects. So therefore, it reduces math anxiety, and it's helpful because as young as they are, they will be loving math. So it is playful, it's interactive, the strategy is interactive and hands-on. So my pupils or pupils really often feel less pressure, right? And then next would be the possible drawbacks. What are the possible drawbacks of this strategy? Number one, it's time consuming. Yes, it is, because you are doing hands-on learning. So therefore, you have to spare time. You have to really make time for the learning to be meaningful. So, and it could also take a longer time for the pupils to complete the task. Now, number two is it is resource intensive. Now, if you don't have the enough resources that you will be using for this strategy, well, therefore, it will be a tedious task on your part. Now, it requires access to physical materials, which may or may not be always available under our resource schools. Now, number three, it's potential over reliance on manipulatives. Now, so if pupils are more dependent on solving mathematical problems using manipulatives, it will really limit their potential. So they may become overly dependent on physical tools like manipulatives, and they will soon struggle to transition to abstract thinking, especially higher mathematics. Now, this can hinder their ability to solve problems independently without the use of aids. So these are just possible drawbacks of the strategy. Hey, good afternoon, Karen. So, kumusta man? Nagunsa ka itong walay klase? Nagunsa man mo? Nagdula? Nagsulat. Very good. Nagsulat kasi mong name. How about sa nagbasa? Nagbasa ka? Very good. Okay. So, for today, kay mag-math sa asa na mo sa inyong math? Asa naman kasi inyong math?
Sa times.
Times na mo? Wow, very good. Okay. So, karon i-reinforce na to imuhang math, imong multiplication table. Okay? So, mag-write si teacher diri. Naku, i-write ha. Dayon, imuha din na siyang basahon. Okay? Ang sabi ni pagbasa na to. Kani siya?
1 times 1. 1 ay
Equals?
1.
Wow, very good. Nakabalo naman di ay. Okay. Sige, sunod. Imong basahon. Dayon, imuha dayong ansiran. Okay? Sige, be. Please read.
1 times 2 equals 2.
Write number 2. Okay, very good. Dili lisod si times? Dili? Okay, so adto ta sa how about ang 2 times? Ang 2 times 1. Kabalo na ka, anak? Dili pa? Okay. So, we will learn today multiplication by 2's. Sige, be. Okay. Get number 1 to 9. Get numbers 1 to 9. Kuha ang numbers 1 to 9. Sige, arrange din dira sa ato ang table. Okay, arrange number 1 to hantod sa number 9 para mag-learn ta ana. Sunod nga number sa 1?
2.
Okay, very good. Sige, na isunod. Okay, sunod sa 2.
3.
Sunod. Dili mo pa. Ha? Okay, sige, continue. Next to 3. What number is next to 3? Very good. Number
4.
4. Next number. What number is that? 5. Very good. Good job. Next. Okay, the next two, number 6 is number
Number 7.
number 7. Very good. Next. Number 8. And then, let's go to number 9. Okay, how about number 10? Make number 10. Kung sa may itsura sa number 10. Okay. Okay. Sige na, wala si 1 diri. Pakita sa 1. Another 1. Another 1. Okay, very good. Alright. Can you count, B? Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's count numbers 1 until 20. 1 to 20. Mag-count tabi. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. Very good. Okay. Now, let's review your multiplication. Kung saan tayo buhaton pag mag-multiply ta, Terence? Kung saan man na to pag-multiply? Sa gani, pag mag-add ta kay atuang pag-addition kay atuang do, sa man?
Tumagon.
Dungagan. Very good. Tama. What if subtraction? Kung saan ba itong buhaton sa subtraction?
Minusun.
Maynusa, natay ko? Natay? Kuhaan, no? Magkuha ta. What if sa multiplication? Sa may buhaton sa multiplication?
Plusan.
Muna'y gitawag na to nga repetitive addition. So, mag-add ka, add. Yan na, no? Or, napod siya lang term, Terence. Napod siya, piluon na to. Ana, ato ang multiplication. Sige daw, be? Okay. Ito i-review mo mga sign. Diba? And then, okay. What sign is this?
Plus.
Plus. Very good. How about this one?
Minus.
Minus. Perfect. This one?
Times.
Times. So, dirita. Okay, mag-times ta. Karon, pero i-review sa nato imong multiplication by 1. Okay, by 1 sa tabi. Okay, natay equal sign. Sige. Now, i-form sa teacher. 1. Okay. So, galing ni siya pagbasa?
1 times 1 equal 1.
1. Very good. Nga naman. Si 1 di ay kapiluon na to. Kapiluon si 1.
Isa.
Isa gyapon. So, ang answer niya kay
1.
1 gyapon. Very good. Now, what if? Pulian na to ni Be. Pulian na to siya dili. Okay, this one.
2 times
Kani. Saan ni pagbasa?
1 times 2 equals 2.
Okay, look for 2.
2.
Okay, very good. Ganang 2 man atong answer.
1.
Kay si 1, gipilo na to.
2.
Oh, gipilo na to kaduha. Mao na siya, no? Gipilo kaduha, so mao nga to gyapon iyang answer. Okay, so go back si number 2 diri B. Kani. Okay. So may answer ana B?
3 times 1.
Kani yung nakabasa ni. So gani?
1 times 3 equals 3.
Wow! Very good. Maayo nun sa math si Claire. Si Terence. Okay, next. Ito na pilihan og 4. Sige, Ben. Okay. Okay, let's read ato ang problem.
1 times 4 equals 4.
Wow, very good. Si 1, ipilo na to ka
4.
4. So, 4 gipon niya, ha? Answer. Okay. And then, next would be, let's have this one. Okay, please read, Terence.
1 times 5 equals 5.
Wow, very good. Namaste na mo ni Terence. Next would be, okay, please read.
1 times 6 equals 6.
Very good. Next, when the place is 6, let's have number 7. Please read.
1 times 7 equals 7.
Okay, 7. That's perfect. Correct. Yay. Okay, how about this one?
1 times 8 equals 8.
Wow, perfect. Okay, let's have number 9.
9.
Sige, B. Read this one.
1 times 9 equals 9.
Ika.
Equals 9.
Okay, very good. Next would be 9. Okay. Sige, please read.
10.
Hmm?
1 times 10 equals
Was?
Palay 1.
Hmm?
Palay 1.
Okay, look for one here. Kani, you can use this one.
Equals
Sakto?
10.
Okay, baliktad. Okay. So, once more, please read.
1 times 10 equals 10.
Wow, very good. Good job. Okay, so this time, we will do multiplication by 2's. Okay? So, by 2's. Okay, okay, can you look for number 2? Okay, there you go. Na. So, unsa may ito iputang diri una? 1. Okay, now this time, Terence, I want, kani di I see, kani si 1, ato ani siyang butangan og, kani siya, di ba? Kani siya si 2. Kapila na ganito piluon si 2?
1, 2.
Kapila na to piluon si 2?
1.
Ikaw 1. So, pila may answer? Pila ka stick ang naa diri?
1, 2.
Oh. So, the answer is? The answer is?
2.
Oh, kung pilang kabuk stick ang naa diri, mapod yung answer diri. Sige, we look for number 2 here. Asa man ang number 2? Okay, very good. So, mo ni sa imuhang timanan. Okay? Sige, be. How about? Okay. Sige, butang sa dira di sa green. Butang sa green. Okay, very good. Let's read.
2 times 2 equals 4.
Nganong na 4 man? Kay si 2. Okay, let's get number. Get na to ni siya, be. Pila ni?
2.
2. Unya, karon pila man si 2. Pila ka buok si 2 diri? Kapila na to piluon si 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Di ka ni, pila. Kapila to piluon si 2?
4.
Sige. Okay, sige, B. Butang din dire. Sige, butang na to dire. Okay, so pila ka ng stick na to dire?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So, correct ato answer? Correct. Very good. Okay. Sige, next. Sige, ikaw mag-hold sa ani, B. Hold na to ni. Gamito na to ang stick. Okay, gamito na to ang stick. Sige. Pila ka to atong kuhaon?
3.
Again, pila ka to?
3.
3. So, magkuha ka og
Stick.
no, tulo ka to. Tingnan naon, no? Naon. Okay? Naon siya. Okay, B, sige daw, B. Ikaw daw, B. Nagsample naman si teacher. So, ikaw na pod karon. Okay. Okay, please count how many sticks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So, say answer.
6.
6. Very good. So, muna ang ato answer. Wow, good job. Okay. Plastic. Then, let's have this one. Okay. How about, okay, let's read.
2 times 4 equals
Okay. Sige, get og. Pila man akato atong kuhaon.
4.
Oh, sige. Okay, count all. Sige, count
1,
na.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Pila answer?
8.
8. Very good. Okay. Sige, next. Let's have this one.
Ito times 5.
Pila man nakatagto imong gikuha gani?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So, unsay answer na to?
10.
10. Very good, oy. Good job kayo si Terence. Okay, let's return this one and the stick. Then let's have this one.
6.
Sige.
2 times 6 equals
Hmm.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Murag nalubra ka. Wait lang sa. Sige, tuloy lang ito gihap ha. Tuloy na to. Dapat 6 katag 2. No. Sige daw, be. Yan po natin yung tarong. 6 makain. Sige, ito yung hapon. Kung 6 ba? 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Nanobra. Okay, sige, pasa. Okay, then count all, be.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So, say answer na to, Terence. It's okay. Very good. Next, so D. this one. Okay, let's please read.
2 times 7 equals
Okay. Okay, let's count kung 7 ba na. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
okay, very good. Sige, count tanan, be. Except
1,
this one.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So the answer is? Answer is?
14.
14. Very good. That was awesome, Terence. Okay, sige, be. Next would be let's have we're done with 7, so say next
8.
8. Okay, so please read.
2 times 8 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
So, answer na to.
16.
16. Very good. So, okay. Read sa again, be.
2 times 8 equals 16.
Wow. Very good. Dapat tatama ko man. Okay. Let's have this one. Please read.
2 times 9 equals
Okay. Good. Okay. Count all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, sakto. Count tanan. I-count tanan pila.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18.
So, the answer is
18.
18. Very good. Okay, last one. We will have the last one is okay. Okay, let's read.
2 times 10 equals
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
It is, the answer is
20.
20. Very good. Okay, so we're done sa ating multiplication by 2s. So, tomorrow, we will do or mag-review ta ani with worksheet na dayon. Okay? So, are you good? Okay na?
Okay.
Okay na. Okay, Clint. Goodbye. Inani mo, kuya, ha? Magani po si kuya. Bye-bye.